Ariel Garten's a neuroscientist, and Ariel's talking about meta-visualization, meditation and visualization together as one. So what happens in the brain? What state does it tap into when someone is meditating and visualizing? And you think that's a tactic that you can utilize putting those two together to reach a deeper state of flow?
I love both of them. And I think when you do visualization, you are meditating. So meditation is just focus. It's bringing your attention to a single point of focus. And I have my players develop highlight reels. I want them watching highlight reels of when they did their best. Because too often, if you're a high-level person, but your mind is undisciplined, you focus on what you did wrong. And I often say good coaches, like good parents, notice what you do right, and they teach you when you can do better. Bad coaches, like bad parents, notice what you do wrong, and they never let you forget it. And so I think when I worked with Alysha Newman, she's a Canadian pole vaulter who made no height in Tokyo and won the bronze medal in Paris, she saw herself succeeding over and over and over. And in her post-Olympic interview, she said, I didn't lose at all the last 2 years. I won or I learned. I won.
I love
or
that.
I learned.
Yeah.
And if you watched her at the Olympics, she was so beautiful and so happy because she was able to stay in the present moment. And that's so important to get to that flow state. It's to be in the moment, not in the past with regret or the future with fear. And when I first met her, she told me, she said, if I don't medal in Paris, I'll be a failure. And my future children won't love me. I'm like, whoa, we have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do.
Hey, good news is
and we did it.
She medaled, yeah. I like having the joy in, I think that a lot of that comes with when you're not afraid of there's a failure option or something's a loss. When you look at it as learning, like you're talking about.
You win or you learn.
Yeah,
every day with my patients.
situation.
We win or we learn.